Do this as soon as you notice mold around your windows. After this method, the glass won't fog up, and the musty smell will disappear completely. Start by preparing a bowl and adding 3 tablespoons of dish soap. It helps dissolve grease, dirt, and dust that promote mold growth. Then add a cup of vinegar. It has disinfecting, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, while also neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add a tablespoon of regular table salt. Salt is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs excess moisture from the air and prevents condensation on the windows. Mix everything well. Now grind a few cloves, preferably using a coffee grinder, and place them in a container. Cloves have natural antiseptic and antifungal properties, and their scent repels insects. Pour boiling water over them and let them steep for a few minutes. Then add a cup of this clove infusion to your bowl and mix everything again. Pour the solution into a spray bottle using a funnel. Spray the window seals and the area around the windows to prevent mold from returning. This mixture absorbs moisture, stops condensation, and keeps your windows clean, dry, and fresh smelling. I've been using this trick for years. It really works. Colder days are coming, so you need to do this. It can save you from high energy bills. Your window has a summer and winter mode, and the screw setting controls how tightly the sash presses against the frame. In winter, the bill will be clamped firmly. In summer, you'll pull it out easily. Tighten it for winter to keep the warmth in and save on heating. Set your radiator dial like this, and your heating bills will stop being a problem. Most people don't realize how much proper thermostat settings affect energy use. The dial on your radiator lets you control the temperature in each room individually. You just need to know what the numbers mean. The snowflake symbol keeps the temperature around 40–45 degrees Fahrenheit and protects the system from freezing. Setting 1 gives about 55 degrees, perfect for a basement or garage. 2 equals about 60–62 degrees, the ideal temperature for sleeping. 3 means 65–68 degrees, great for the living room or kitchen. Setting 4 provides 72–75 degrees, just right for the bathroom, but 5 reaches a hot 77–82 degrees, which is unnecessary for everyday use. If you want to warm up your home quickly, don't turn the dial to the maximum. Setting it to 3 will make the thermostat heat efficiently while saving energy. This way, you'll stay warm, comfortable, and keep your bills low. This foam will help you get rid of mold on your windows. In winter, condensation on the glass is a warning sign. Ignoring it can lead to mold quickly developing on the frames and seals. You need to act immediately because mold spreads rapidly, and larger amounts are harder to remove. Moisture, fogged windows, and warm rooms create ideal conditions for its growth, posing serious health risks. You can effectively remove mold from windows without using chemical store-bought products. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar and water in a 1:1 ratio. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with water to create a foam-like consistency. Apply the foam to the seals and mold-covered areas, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. Next, spray the entire window with the vinegar water solution and leave it for 15 minutes. Finally, use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean. Vinegar combined with baking soda works effectively on mold, doesn't cause allergies, and its smell disappears quickly. Buy it at the pharmacy and stick it on your windows. It's very cheap, and your apartment will quickly become cool. If you don't have external blinds or air conditioning, you know how hot it gets in the summer. It turns out that this foil solves that problem. An ordinary emergency blanket has 2 sides, one gold and one silver. Each has a different use. The silver side reflects heat, while the gold side stores it. Measure your window glass precisely. Then cut the blanket to the appropriate dimensions. Wet the window with regular water and stick the blanket onto it. Use a cloth to smooth out air bubbles under the foil. Stick the silver side of the blanket on the outside. The gold side should face inside the room. This way, it will reflect the sun's rays. You'll notice the difference in just a few minutes. Apply it to windows on the south side. These are the windows that let in the most heat. I've been using this trick in my home for years. It makes heat waves much more bearable. Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. You need to do this before the heating season starts. A simple mixture that will leave your radiator clean and looking like new. Just pour it in and watch all the dirt flush out within seconds. You won't believe how much grime hides inside. Throughout the year, when the radiator isn't working, dust and residue build up. The moment you turn it on, everything spreads into the air and around your home. That's why, before winter comes, prepare it with this easy trick. Take a large container and add 2 scoops of laundry detergent. The detergent not only dissolves dirt, but also refreshes and leaves a pleasant scent. Then pour in about 2 cups of warm water and stir until fully dissolved. Place a pot or bowl under the radiator and slowly pour the mixture through its inside. All the dust and buildup from months will flush right out. Within moments, you'll see the water turn dark and cloudy. Proof the dirt is gone. It's the best way to remove dust thoroughly. This way, warm air won't spread dust, but will fill your home with cleanliness and freshness. A simple trick that makes a huge difference. Simply rub one product into the window seal, and your energy bills will be significantly lower. In autumn and winter, heating costs can put a strain on your household budget. One simple way to reduce them is proper window maintenance. Even new windows can lose their insulating properties if the seals are neglected. Before the first frost arrives, it's a good idea to take a moment to care for them. Check if your windows have an adjustment option. Properly adjusting the pressure of the sash against the frame allows you to adapt them to changing temperatures, significantly improving insulation. The adjustment mechanism is usually located on the window frame and allows for easy modification of the sealing pressure. Before applying any treatment, thoroughly clean the seals from dust and dirt, then wipe them dry with a clean cloth. Only then should you apply technical petroleum jelly. Simply apply a small amount to a dry cloth and rub it evenly into the seals. This will help them remain flexible and better retain heat inside your home. This foam will help you get rid of mold on your windows. In winter, condensation on the glass is a warning sign. Ignoring it can lead to mold quickly developing on the frames and seals. You need to act immediately because mold spreads rapidly, and larger amounts are harder to remove. Moisture, fogged windows, and warm rooms create ideal conditions for its growth, posing serious health risks. You can effectively remove mold from windows without using chemical store-bought products. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar and water in a 1-to-1 ratio. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with water to create a foam-like consistency. Apply the foam to the seals and mold-covered areas, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. Next, spray the entire window with the vinegar water solution and leave it for 15 minutes. Finally, use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean. Vinegar combined with baking soda works effectively on mold, doesn't cause allergies, and its smell disappears quickly.